We are going to let me show you this here. It's got a bunch of pre-made Canva graphics here. So I'm going to use the Instagram story templates in this particular product. I'll show you that in a second. And I'm going to merge that with the audio, which you can see right here. We've got both male and female. I'm going to take one of the audios here and upload that to Canva. And I'm going to blend it. I'm going to take the audio blended with one of the images from the PLR package. Those two together make a quick video. And I've got a cool little additional tip that'll make it look a little bit more engaging. So let me show you how this works. Okay, so I just went into Canva, and this is one of the collections of templates that are included in our PLR package. This particular design looks nice to me here. So you can see it's got a little tip here. Before choosing, ask which option aligns more with who you hope to be at 80. So you can kind of see the angle here. It's helping people make decisions so they live a life they won't regret, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply right-click and copy this one graphic here. So there's 29 others I'm not even going to use for this example. I'm going to copy that and start a new project in Canva, a new design. In this case, I'm going to make it an Instagram story because I'd like to create a vertical video. And I'm going to do that by first pasting in that template. Okay, so I'm going to delete the first page there. Paste in that template. Now I'm going to merge this graphic with one of the audios that I already told you. Now, in the uploads here, I've already uploaded one of the audios here called Make Decisions You'll Never Regret. Okay, and I'm going to drag and drop that audio right into my project file here. And by the way, I literally took this right out of the PLR package. I just went into Canva, clicked upload, picked the MP3, and there it was. Now, I need to extend this particular design template here. If I click on the actual design, you can see that it currently appears for 5 seconds. But what we want to do is match the duration of this image so that it's in line with the duration of our audio, which you can see here is 2 minutes and 49 seconds. So I'm going to change this so that it displays for 2 minutes and 49 seconds. And if I show you the duration here, now our project has an image that just floats on the screen. It stays static while the audio plays. Let me give you a quick preview.
Make decisions you'll never regret.
Okay, so it's make decisions you'll never regret. And now I'm going to update this image here so that it's in line with what this message is. Making decisions you'll never regret. Guys, so now I've got this message across the screen, make decisions you'll never regret. And then this image here, let's make it more of like a decision-making type of graphic. So if I go here into the elements inside of Canva, right here, and we type in decision, we've got a bunch of photos here. I like this one here that looks like a kind of a path where you have to make a decision. There you go. And so that kind of is in line so that we have a nice imagery in line with my message. And then here's the little bonus hack. If you come into Canva and you search for sound wave, you could also do audio wave. There's a few different options there. And what you'll find is you can get these graphics that make it look like audio is playing. So it kind of gives this visual representation of music playing or like a speaker speaking. And so that's the way you bring this static image to life. You can just use one of those little, it's sort of like a GIF image inside of Canva. So I can drag and drop that onto my project here. And then if I click play,
Life is a continuous series of choices.
it gives a visual indication that there's a video here. That's all you need to do. You've got a static image, you've got a 2 minute and 49 second audio, and then you've got this cool little animated graphic that indicates to the viewer or to the people in your audience who are maybe watching your content that this is a video. From there, you simply click share and download this as an MP4 video in vertical format, and now it's perfect, ready to go. Again, Reels on Facebook or Instagram. You could put it up on TikTok. You could put it up on YouTube Shorts. You can even experiment with some of the other platforms like LinkedIn and Pinterest to see what sizing would be needed. You could easily resize this using Canva to whatever formats are required for the platforms that you want to publish to.